Hello students, welcome to another session of biology. In this session, we are going to study about the topic medical termination of pregnancy. This is a topic of chapter 4 of class 12th biology, which is reproductive health. Without wasting any time, let us begin with our session. So let us now begin the session by understanding the meaning of the term medical termination of pregnancy. Medical termination of pregnancy or MTP is defined as intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy before full term. Nearly 45 to 50 million MTPs are performed in a year all over the world, which accounts to 1/5 of the total number of conceived pregnancies in a year. Obviously, MTP has a significant role in decreasing the population, though it is not meant for that purpose. Whether to accept or legalize MTP or not is being debated upon in many countries due to emotional, ethical, religious and social issues involved in it. Government of India legalized MTP in 1971 with some strict conditions to avoid its misuse. Such restrictions are all the more important to check indiscriminate and illegal female feticide, which are reported to be high in India. Why MTP? Obviously, the answer is to get rid of unwanted pregnancies either due to casual, unprotected intercourse or failure of the contraceptive used during coitus or rapes. MTPs are also essential in certain cases where continuation of the pregnancy could be harmful or even fatal either to the mother or to the fetus or both. MTPs are considered relatively safe during the first trimester, that is up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. Second trimester abortions are much more riskier. One disturbing trend observed is that a majority of the MTPs are performed illegally by unqualified quacks, which are not only unsafe but could be fatal too. Another dangerous trend is the misuse of amniocentesis to determine the sex of the unborn child. Frequently, if the fetus is found to be female, it is followed by MTP. This is totally against what is legal. Such practices should be avoided because these are dangerous both for the young mother and the fetus. Effective counseling on the need to avoid unprotected coitus and the risk factors involved in illegal abortions, as well as providing more healthcare facilities, could reverse the mentioned unhealthy trend. Thank you and have a nice day.